guys, welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering why I'm here in my kitchen today. I am doing a slightly different video. This is kind of like the lifestyle portion of Terry's Corner, and today we are going to try a brand called SaladPower. So if you want to know more about SaladPower, then keep on watching. So guys, first off, I just want to say thank you to SaladPower. They contacted me and asked if they could send me a sample of their SaladPower smoothie. And of course, I'm not going to turn this down because I love anything that's healthy, good for you ingredients. And so I just jumped on it. Let me get SaladPower from my refrigerator right here. So this is SaladPower, guys. This is a USDA approved certified organic smoothie that provides you with twice the amount of vegetable servings that you need in a day. So guys, it's 2 times the vegetable servings that your body would normally need. And I got excited about that because it's hard. It's really hard with someone's busy schedule and a family and everything. It's really hard to get all the vegetables that your body needs. So I feel like if I have one of these, I'm already set and good to go throughout the day. One of the things that I really liked about SaladPower is that it's 100% organic. And it's through SaladPower that I recently found out that only 0.85, guys, not even 1% of the United States farmlands are organic. So I think we lack that. That's essentially their goal as far as increasing that amount, that 0.85, and taking it to a higher level so that we can benefit more from organic products. When it comes to ingredients, guys, it's definitely more veggies and less sugar. The ingredients are pretty straightforward. You have the organic carrots, spinach, apple, kale, broccoli, and lemon. The apple and the lemon is what's giving it the sweetness, if you will, as far as the smoothie goes, but the rest are all vegetables. Did I tell you guys it's 2 times the serving? That's what I love about it because, okay, technically half of this is like already the full serving, right? That your body needs. There is 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, and sodium is 90 milligrams. Guys, there's only one flavor when it comes to this organic smoothie. It helps kind of target that focus as far as maximizing the vegetable intake and having less sugar. I've had this SaladPower twice already. So I was sent a pack of 6, and normally when you buy your first SaladPower, they go buy a pack of 6. And you can drink this as a snack because it is as a smoothie. You can drink this for breakfast. I personally like it as like my midday snack or breakfast. It is actually recommended to be eaten with breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So you could have your own regular serving of breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and then drink this to go. I love the packaging of this, guys. It really keeps the ingredients in here fresh. The best way to drink this is cold, I feel like. I've had it when it was kind of room temperature and I didn't like the taste as much. But when it's cold, it's chilled, it's definitely more delicious, and that's how I like to take it. So I keep them in the refrigerator, but they will still stay fresh even if you leave it on your kitchen counter. You know, the other thing that I want to use this for, and I'm definitely going to use it tomorrow, but it's definitely a great boost for like workout. So either a pre-workout boost or a post-workout boost. This is definitely going to get you through the day. So I love that about it. Let's go ahead and try the smoothie. This is my 3rd one, guys. So I pretty much know how it tastes. This is what the packaging looks like. Very nice. It's sealed, and you just kind of break the seal like that. And there's a little bit of smoothie at the tip. Maybe because I was like pressing it, kind of mixing all the ingredients in. And I feel like it's better if you give it a little bit of a massage so that you can get the best consistency as far as the smoothie goes. It's definitely on the greeny, leafy side when it comes to taste. It has a little bit of graininess. It's not as smooth. It's not 100% smooth. It's not going to taste like, you know, Jamba Juice smoothie. Okay, this is definitely much healthier, depending on what you're trying to compare it to, I guess. But this one is just pure vegetable, mostly vegetable. It has that earthy flavor. You can definitely taste the lemon. I guess the carrots and the apple is for like sweetness. I don't taste the apple that much, but usually in any smoothie, like the apple is just the sweetener, you know, and without it really changing the taste, because apples in a smoothie doesn't have the biggest flavor impact, but it's there, you know, it really makes a difference. This is an 8-ounce drink, by the way. So it's a good cup. So right now, I'm just coming home from work, and this is around the time that I actually look for a snack before dinner. It gives you that energy and it creates your hunger before dinner. The best part is you can seal this back. If you can't finish it, you can put it in your refrigerator and go back to it and finish it. It's very portable. I've drank this while I was driving in the car. By the way, guys, it's recommended that you finish this within 4 hours after breaking the seal. That way you get the most nutritional benefit out of the smoothie. All done. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. Thank you, SaladPower, for collabing with me in this video. If you guys have any other questions, please comment it down below. I will have the link to SaladPower in the description box in case you are interested. Definitely give it a try, guys. This is perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. Getting that daily recommended servings of vegetables, not just fruits, but mainly that bulk of vegetables that your body needs, is definitely where the benefit lies. So try out SaladPower. I will have all the links and the description, pricing as well, in the description box below. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.